Yeah. H-time. 44 on the dash, but the engine is brand new. Check the log. We don't skip the details. Let's go. Yeah. H-time in my veins, 44 on the clock. Still building up the iron, solid as a rock. 3 fingers on the raise, V sit high in the air. Maximum compression, watch the rookie stop and stare. Drop it down to 2, locked into the air. Age is just a number, ring the heavy metal bell. Forearm full of tension, grip is made of steel. Houston hard hitter, let me show you how I feel. Yeah, 44 and I'm built for the fight. Houston hard hitter, turning gravity to light. Absolute control, watch the core rotation spin. Every single inch, yeah, I'm disciplined to win. Time under tension, I'm gripping the bar. They plateau at 30, but I'm taking it far. Explode to the top, then I fight the descent. Pausing every inch, yeah, that's energy spent. 4-finger absolute, thumbless on the hole. Concentric, eccentric, breaking out the mold. 360 on the core leg, sweeping the clock. Clockwise, counterclockwise, picking off the lock. Hollow to the arch, rolling strict on the floor. 5 count in my head while I'm begging for more. Sit, twist, hit the low point, pulse. 5 on the left, 5 on the right. Maximum leverage, out of sight. Yeah, 44 and I'm built for the fight. Houston hard hitter, turning gravity to light. Absolute control, watch the core rotation spin. Every single inch, yeah, I'm disciplined to win. Time under tension, I'm gripping the bar. They plateau at 30, but I'm taking it far. High neurological domain, I feel a strain, but a Houston hard hitter thrives in the pain. Fingertip straight on pulls. 44, still running with the bulls.
Yeah, yeah, hey, yeah. Rap it when I rip it, I'm ripping the rhythm and never be slipping. I pivot and hit it with venom. I'm in it, I'm with it, no limit. I'm living the vision, I'm giving a minute to anybody thinking they get it. I'm splitting the atom of syllables, critical, literal, miracle, criminal, minimal, interval, killing the beat when I enter the zone. Reload with a flow so cold when I go, let it blow. I reload of a low from the low to the globe. I'm a pro with the mode, never froze, never fold. Let it be known when I step in the throne. I own every tone, get thrown. CD on my back when I rap like that, never lack attack. I adapt exact with the craft. I'm a vet with a set of kinetics, poetic aesthetics embedded. I said it, I shred it, I'm deadly with that. It's synthetic or real, I can feel every measure. I treasure the pressure, I stretch it and bless it. Aggressive progression, I lessen the rest of the mess when I'm testing a lesson. Yeah. Speed better heat when I weave through the beat. I compete with the heat that'll eat any feet. I delete any weak energy, leaking out peak when I speak. Technique is elite, I'm unique with the street, never bleed when I freak on the beat. No option, I'm locking and loading the code in the flow. I'm eroding opponents, a dome and I'm owning the moment. The component, the chaos and focus, upholding. I wrote it in motion, corrosion, a whack is a notion. From the Midwest root to the truth in the booth, every tooth in the gear got proof. When I shoot, I electrify, amplify, never pacify. I'm the guy with the drive, I can ride it about when I collide with the vibe. Better back it up, I'ma stack it up, I'ma rack it up fast. Every track I can attack like a blast from the past to the future maneuver.